Yes, I have now won, and Flash, you can't stop me.
Oh, yes, I will. I'll stop you with my friend, Stupid Elf. Come on, say hello, Stupid Elf.
Hi.
Yeah, it's pretty stupid. But, anyways, let's go. Let's go. Come on, chop chop.
Oh, you want to be a plot staller, right?
Hey, you stole my line again.
Shut up, prisoner. Kidnap attack.
Whoa, whoa. Well, I can stop you like this.
Kidnap attack.
Oh man, here we go. Come at me. Ow.
Oh, look, a Lego piece. Time to pick it up. Go to the wall. Now back to the story. I guess I have no one to kidnap. Well, the episode ends. Not today, Goofy! Yeah! Do, 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 do. Vehicle attack! Ow! Not today! Woohoo! Kidnap attack! What's happening to me? Whoa! No! Ah, no! Oh. Okay, for real this time. I have no one to kidnap.
Are you sure about that?
Shut up, Koopa Troopa!
Huh! I came to stop you and your plans, Goofy.
Oh, yeah? You want this to end now? Well, I have something to tell you. No.
Well, maybe yes.
Ow! Kidnap attack!
Whoa. Dang it. Well, it's been fun. Hey, you're sitting on me. Shut up, stupid elf.
Well, now the episode ends, right?
Wrong.
Shut up, prisoner! Well, not so fast! Charmander, char! First you're speaking English, now you're saying char, Charmander language. What? You pick a lane, bro. Charmander! Charmander! Kidnap attack! Char! Charmander! Charmander!
You're sitting on me, Charmander.
Shut up, Knuckles!
Somebody get me out of here. Help. Now you're sitting on me, Steve. Well, I'm just trying to get out of here, okay?
Hey, you prisoners! Stop being plot stallers!
Well, it's gonna be the end for you because I'm Snowy and Rocky's brother.
Oh, yeah? So, Snowy's barely been in any videos, and so has Rocky's barely been in any videos. So, where are Snowy and Rocky? They're not here. Duh! Look! Not there. Not there. You see? They're not there.
Oh, you want to be a plot staller?
Hey, that's my line. Shut up already, prisoner.
Haven't we said this twice already? Can we just stop now?
Being a plot staller. Yeah. Stop.
Anyways, on to the fight.
Kidnap attack!
Well, it's been fun. Well, time to say goodbye. Hey, you're stepping me.
What? You mean you're stepping on me?
Guys, just stop fighting already.
Yeah, agreed. We barely can fit in here. So let's just make the best out of it.
Man!
Hey, you prisoners over there. I told you to stop being plot stallers, okay?
Hey, that's my line.
Said it again. Would you stop being plot stallers for the final time?
Hey, that was my line.
Alright, who's next? Where is Cody? Oh, hello, do we need to go through this again? No, because, look, is he here? No. Is he here? No.
Dude, he's right there, you stupid.
Oh, yeah, and shut up, prisoner. Nobody calls me stupid or dumb. You see? Now on to the fight. Ha-ha! Kidnap attack!
Oh boy, not this again.
Dang it, I'm squished again. Oh my god, can we just make the best out of everything?
Man! Get me out of here. Yeah, stop squishing me.
I swear, I just feel like doing that whole mind control thing in the next part early. My God. Where's Snowy and Cody? They're right there.
Help us! Help us! Meh!
Yup, they're there, and if you want to stop me, kidnap attack. But it's opposite day. Well, it's been fun. But I could just unkidnap myself. Hey, that's not fair. Shut up, Knuckles, and unkidnap attack. This is gonna be so fun. Now on to the real fight at hand in the next part. Bye.
Like and subscribe, please. If you want to get me out of here, please. Right, Chicky? Right. Yeah, please subscribe for the next part. Ah!